In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and track credit card fees in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're using Stripe, Square, PayPal, or a similar processor, when you get paid through a processor, you don't actually receive the full amount your customer paid. A small portion is taken out as a processing fee. If you don't track those fees correctly, your income and expenses can be off, which makes your reports and tax numbers less accurate. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to set things up once, and then record those fees quickly every time you get paid. We're going to do this in 3 main parts. First, we'll create an expense account to hold all your credit card fees. Then, we'll create a service item that points to that account. Finally, we'll use that item on your sales receipts or invoices to record the fees as they happen. Let's start by creating the expense account. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Accounting tab on the left and click on Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts live, like income, expenses, and bank accounts. In the top right, click New to create a new account. For account type, choose Expenses, because these processing fees are a cost of doing business. For detail type, select Bank Charges. This is the most appropriate category for these kinds of fees. In the name field, type something clear and specific, like credit card fees. Use a name you'll recognize later on when you're running reports. Once that's set, click Save and Close. You've now created a dedicated place to track these charges. Next, we'll create a service item that links to this expense account. Go to the Sales tab, or it might be labeled Get Paid and Pay, and then click on Products and Services. This is your list of things you sell. Whether they're products or services, click New, and then choose Service. In the name field, enter something like credit card fees again, so it's easy to find. Now, this is the important part. In the income account field, select the expense account you just created, credit card fees. Even though it says income account, we're deliberately pointing it to that expense account so that when you use this item, the fee gets recorded as an expense. Click Save and Close. Finally, let's record the fees on an actual transaction. Open the sales receipt or invoice where you received the payment from your customer. This will show the full gross amount they paid. Now add a new line item to this transaction and choose the credit card fees service you just set up. In the amount column, enter the fee as a negative number, like -$20. By entering it as a negative, you're reducing the total on the receipt or invoice, which brings it down to the exact net amount that actually hit your bank. You'll see the total at the bottom update to reflect that net deposit. With this setup, every time you record a payment that went through Stripe, Square, PayPal, or another processor, you can quickly add that negative credit card fees line. Your income will show the full amount your customer paid, your expenses will capture the processing fee, and your books will match what's in your bank account.